Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Jnotes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the home screen and click to the settings button at the left bar. New, in the function settings section you can find the notification bar resident screenshot insertion function, and if you want to turn on this option, click to the next white circle, but if you want to turn off, click that again. If it will be turned yellow, this function will be enabled. If this is white, it's disabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.